Innocence is all I have in my mind, just like children, when it comes to photography, may it be still or video. Nature, it always hooks me in. It feels like there's no boundary, just like flowing water, unlike political maps. Friends, they should always be there with me to keep me guiding. If I make mistakes, they can say, "You're going wrong." Every person runs after purpose in life, but it is always subjective. You chase or not. Universe has a plan for you. Grab the chances. Choose your own path. Don't forget to live your dream.